Exactly 1 week ago, the first case of swine flu was reported in the country. A few days later, the number ballooned to 10. All cases were among the visiting British students. Today, however, the ministry confirmed the first infections among Kenyans.
We are talking of 3 Kenyans only who have contracted this virus from visiting British citizens.
Mugo says there are 2 cases in each of the Garissa, Kisumu and Nairobi towns. One of the new visiting British students is said to have infected a Kenyan who was working with them in Kisumu.
Nairobi then is 2 who have diagnosed here in Nairobi, but one of the 2 is in Garissa, is the girl who moved to Garissa.
30 relatives of the child are currently in quarantine in Garissa, awaiting results of the tests on their samples, while the 4 British students who were in a field trip in Kisumu are also quarantined. Meanwhile, the last batch of the 34 British students whose field trip was cut short after they were isolated in Kisumu's Duke of Breeze Hotel returned home today morning at 11.
All the staff at the Duke of Breeze Hotel who have been serving the British students, the driver of the hired bus that took the students to Kisumu, and the pupils at various schools and institutions all tested negative.
Despite confirmation of more cases in the country, Mugo wants Kenyans to remain calm and not blow the situation out of proportion to the extent of scaring tourists and investors.
America are reporting 1 million. Na sikuona hata gazeti imeandika hivyo huko kwao. Kwa nini sisi tunarudisha kila wakati mambo yetu chini?
Doctors say the flu's fatality rate is less than 1%. Out of the 77,000 people infected worldwide, only 335 have died, an indication that the flu is mild and sometimes does not require hospitalization. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen TV.